Hey guys, welcome back to Harshram Gaming, and I think you guys know what we're gonna play today. That's right, we're gonna play some more of Plague.Inc, but this time we're gonna play Cure mode in Plague.Inc. So I've quite understood it now. So I think I can explain it to you guys on how to play the Cure mode. So I'll start when you guys, So before I start, just want to mention that I still have 22 subscribers. I need 28 for 50, and if I do get to 50, I will be doing a special video. And also subscribe to Am Creative's channel. He is uploading many videos over there, and also some awesome ones. So make sure to go out and subscribe to his channel, and also Platinum Gamers. He's also uploading many Free Fire videos over there. If you like Free Fire, you're a fan of Free Fire, you can go out. And also I'm just telling you guys that I might be changing the name of my channel, because my name is Harshram Gaming, so that means only gaming will be there. But I'm like, you know what, I can upload more things than just gaming. So I'll be changing my channel's name. I don't know when, but I won't tell the name of my channel. You guys can see, you guys can notice it by yourself. It will be updated day after tomorrow or tomorrow, I don't know. So without a delay, I'm gonna start the Plague.Inc now. Wait, what? Wait. Okay. No. I thought I lost Plague.Inc. Oh, never mind. Let's play the Cure mode. Bacteria, casual difficulty, and of course we need to keep a name, because how can you cure a disease with no name? That's awkward. Let's start. Yes, I can save the world, okay? Yes. So, if you have noticed, in the main mode where you have to spread the disease, it says choose where you want the disease to start from. But over here, you have to establish your operation, which means choose where you want your headquarters should be. Okay, I think my headquarters will be India. So I'll be explaining you all the things now. So first we'll start with quarantine. I think you guys know what quarantine is. If you can see in the right side of my screen, continent-wide initiatives. Utilize continent-wide initiatives for heavy landed control. Lockdown entire regions and restrict countries' connections. So this is nothing but we have to just we don't have any options now over here. They will come soon. So we have to create lockdowns for every continent. So if you want Asia to be controlled, if you want to put in lockdown in Asia, we just have to click a button. The button has not appeared yet. It will come soon. So I think you guys are okay with quarantine. And this is response. So if you can see in the right side of my screen, counter the disease, fund counter disease initiatives, improve your medical capabilities, slow the disease and save lives. So over here it is nothing but we have to just we have to try ways to decrease the spread of the disease. So as you can see, it says improve. Over here we have to improve the medical analysis, the medical research and everything over here. We have to look at more ways in which we can improve, in which we can stop the spread of this virus or bacteria. Over here we do that. I think you are also good with response. And now in operation, it's my favorite bit. Over here we have to progress the vaccination. So if you can see in the right side of my screen, improve your abilities, gain new abilities, maintain your authority, and push forward vaccine progress in a battle to defeat the disease. So over here we have to have a progress, a good lookout on the vaccine. Okay, we have to start the research of the vaccination from here, and then we can also gain new abilities for stopping the spread of the bacteria faster over here. So it's almost same as response. And then if you go into control, it is nothing but this is all the information about the virus. So like the symptoms over here. Can you see this graph over here? Like it's not really a graph, but whatever. So over here we can see all the symptoms, all the things, what the virus contains and how the virus can spread, all that. And then in the left side we have the name of the disease. The origin of the country is still unknown, discovery date is still unknown, nothing is unknown, everything is unknown. And if you can see in the bottom, sorry, I'm so bad with directions, bottom left corner you can see resources. And if you might have observed, in the main mode where you have to spread the disease, it will be DNA points, but over here we need resources. So with the resources I can do this. Like over here, if like in the main mode, if you want the disease to be more powerful, to have a better symptom, we just need more DNA points. But over here, same thing, we need resources for sorry guys, we need resources for more for controlling the disease better, and for vaccine progression, and for making quarantine. So without a delay, I'm gonna start. As you can see, the virus it started in Brazil. Okay, I have 17 resources. I think I can, I'm gonna go operation. So I'm gonna keep some investigators around the world, which means like I'll send some investigators around the world to for better research. 4 rupees only. Okay, I'm also gonna keep government partnerships, coordinate with local government officials to more rapidly approve the setup of investigation teams that will detect local disease outbreaks. It looks nice. So what this mode will do is we will connect to the local governments, and then with the help of them we can together we can stop the spread of the bacteria. So we're going to keep a fund on that, 7. And then deploy field operatives. So over here form a mobile team of investigators that can be deployed to target countries to enhance disease surveillance and response, slightly reduce infections when present. So over here you can send a group of people who can research on a place and try to stop the disease from spreading over there. So this looks nice. Okay, so we have an option to send a team now. Let's see, I'm going to send the team in over here because the disease started here. So if you can see a blue airplane from India, it's going to Brazil. The killer has been detected. No vaccine in progress. Okay, not good. More countries are getting infected. Not good. And over here, can you see? If you can see the authority in my bottom left corner, authority. That's how much I'm taking care of the world. So if it's full, it's good. Let's see. Yes, now I got it. Okay, I'm gonna keep a quarantine in not Africa. Okay, I'm gonna keep a quarantine in South America. Where is South America? Yeah, I'm keeping a quarantine, and I'm gonna shut all air accesses. I'm shutting all sea accesses, and also I'm also close. I don't know. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna force lockdown over there, and I'm also gonna close land borders over there so that nothing can come to South America. So if you can see, everything is blocked over here. If you can see, no seaports, nothing. And if you can see this yellow hand symbols, it means that they are with us. Oh my god, my authority is only 102. Not good. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna tell some people what to do now. Disinfect supplies. So over here, I'm gonna supply some more hand washes. And then clinical treatments, I'm gonna make more clinical treatments, tests, so that it will be better. We'll have more information. And emergency preparation, so over here, improve infection prevention and control practicals at hospitals and care homes, brief staff and stockpile PPE, reduce fatality rate and slightly reduce infection. So over here it's just an emergency preparation, so if anyone gets infected, the people will be prepared very soon and act very soon, so it'll be good for us. I'm funding on that, and we're going to start the research on the vaccine research. I'm going to start develop a vaccine. Yep, my vaccine research has started. I will not allow this virus to go to other countries, and I mean it. Okay, let's keep another quarantine. No, I don't think I have that much. It's okay. Europe. No, I'm gonna keep one in North America. No, actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep one in Target. Oh, okay. This is nice. So what I can do is I can make a country. I can force a lockdown in a country by just keeping the symbol on the country that I want it. So I'm gonna take this. So as you can see, I have a option to keep a forced lockdown in a country. I think I'll be keeping it over here. Of course, over here. Yep, forced lockdown over there. Okay, let's see. Over here there is a lot. Anyway, I'm gonna. So I've closed all the ports over here, which is kind of good. Killer spreading to lots of countries. No, I will not let this happen. Okay. Oh my god, there's so much over here. I need to keep it. Okay, I'm not able to keep it. It's okay. Oh my god. Okay, we need to start on the vaccine manufacturing and also accelerated research, so that the research of the vaccine will be more faster, and also field research. Dude, we need to stop this vaccine. Let's see. So the research has 22.5. It's kind of good. The health, there are more healthy people, which is good. Okay. Public awareness. I'm gonna spread some public awareness of this virus so that people will be more safe. It can reduce the infection. I'm gonna monitor the border, airport screening. This screening, I don't know what that is. Oh my god, man, dude! More infectious than TB. This is not nice. No, don't go there. This airplane is going to a place where I don't want it to go. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have to keep a quarantine. Force lockdown. Close all airports. Close all sea ports too. I'm gonna send one. Over here. You know what? No, I'm gonna keep this back here. So there's so much over here. I think we need it back here. And we need the blue airplane back here. There's so much over here. We need the research teams to come back over here. So I think we're controlling it nicely. Nothing so bad yet. The research is 44% done, which is good. Hand washing, Yeah, okay, we're gonna promote some good hygiene practices by making sure people regularly and effectively wash their hands, reducing infection. Oh yeah, we have to send some masks and everything. Yeah, why did I forget about that? So PPE package 1, we are over here. It's nothing but we have to send masks and others like disinfective appliances, so that the infection rate would stop. Critical care management. Okay, yeah. Okay, we need the global research treaty. So over here, if we do it, then all the countries will be researching on the vaccine, which will be good. So my authority is 82. It's not nice. Oh no, people are starting to die, which is not good. I didn't want this. Okay. So, okay, the research of the vaccine is 60% done. If you can see in the bottom right, even Greenland got infected, dude. Okay, we need a lot of resources. Okay, you know what? Global research treaty, accelerated manufacturing, global manufacturing treaty. Oh my God, there's a lot. So many people are getting infected. This is not good. My authority is 65. Okay, okay, the research of the vaccine is 82% done. It's going nice. We're gonna keep a quarantine in Europe. Close all air access and sea access or whatever. Yeah. My authority is now very bad, which is not good. Yes, the research of the vaccine. Oh yes, vaccine manufacturing underway. The vaccine is now getting manufactured. Yes, so the research of the vaccine is done, is 100% done. Now the production of the vaccine is only 45% done. If you can see in the bottom left, I am gonna stop this from spreading. Oh my God, non-compliance. Dude, please stay with me. My authority is going down. Don't let this happen, dude. Okay. Fund. I'm keeping so much fun in this, bro. Yes, my authority is okay. It's going down. It is not good. Dude, why? Oh my God, I'm gonna fail, dude. If no one is literally listening to me. Why? I'm gonna keep a lockdown everywhere. If you can see in the bottom right, the production is 86% done. Oh God, it's not working. I don't think we can keep any others on lockdown. There too. So I have only one resource now. Yes, the production is 90% done. Come on, please help me, guys. Why is my authority going down, dude? Help me. Yes, safety checks done. Yay, the vaccine of killer is completed. Yay, the vaccine is releasing. It's releasing. If you can see all the blue paints now, these are all the vaccine planes. These planes carry the vaccine and they're taking it to all the countries so that it will get cured. And look, it is actually getting cured, and my authority is also increasing now. If you can see, from 26 it has gone to 27. Let's go. I am the person. I save the world, guys. I save the world. I introduced the vaccine. The vaccine is almost released, and the planes have also carried the vaccines to every like almost every country. Yay! The vaccine is released, bro. Let's go. Oh my God, Brazil is black because everyone is defeated. Yay! Let's go! Killer has been eradicated by your vaccine. The world is saved, and that's how you save a world, by a pro. So let's see the disease graph. The infection rate decreased by the time, even the fatality rate. The compliance risk was increasing a lot. And if you go to the world graph, there are more healthy people than the infected people. There were dead people too, and the healthy record people were also good. So I think we did overallly good, but my authority was falling down like hell, which I couldn't help. I didn't like it at all. So if I see the lockdown graph, the free population is a lot and the lockdown population is less. So maybe that's why my authority was going down, because I did not keep strict lockdown so much. I mean, I think I kept it. I don't know actually. And let's see. So the authority was 53, not that much. Difficulty was casual. If I have kept brutal difficulty, it would be very impossible. Very. So the disease type was bacteria. The time taken for curing the disease was 236 days, which means like if I keep it in math, that's like almost another 100 days before a year, approximately. I'm not sure. Okay. So dead people, a lot. My total score is 94,326. There are 59,575,000. Oh my, okay. 59,575,950 people dead. 59 million? Oh my God. Okay. Not good. Yay! I have unlocked a new badge, I think. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed a lot playing the cure mode, and I hope you guys have also understood how to play this. If you think it is very easy, then try it out on your own. And if you think it is hard, why don't you still have a go with it? So it is a good game. I like this game. But as I told you earlier in the video, that I might be changing the name of my channel to something else. So if you see another name of the channel, don't worry, I changed it. And also before I end the video off, I'm just gonna give you a quick reminder of subscribing to my channel for 50 subscribers for a good special video. And also subscribe to both of my friends' channel, Am Creative and Platinamo Gamers. They all are also nice YouTubers which you can check out. And also leave a like below if you did like the video. Hope I get many views in this video. Share this video. Comment down below of what should I do next. I actually already have a plan of what video I'll do next. I don't think it will be a game. It's something else that I don't think any other YouTuber have tried before. So if you did enjoy the video, as I told you, make sure to like. And regardless, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and also a wonderful year ahead. Bye bye.